Welcome back for another video. This is Val from Val's Kitchen. I have a roast chicken video out now, guys, right? I'd like you all to go and watch it. You know, it's a good idea for the Christmas, you know. And this now, what I'm doing now, this potato salad, it's a very nice, it's very delicious for your Christmas side dishes. All right, whatever you're doing, you can put this at the side, or this can be a full course because some people don't like the rice, and so you can have the potatoes, right? So guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using in my potato salad, right? First, I have to have my potatoes. Here are the potatoes for the potato salad, right? This is mixed vegetable, right? But guys, this is optional, right? You can do your own carrot, you know, you can dice up your own carrots, your string beans, and do it from scratch. All right, guys. And I'm not gonna put a lot in the mixed vegetable. I won't be overpouring the salad with this. All right. The seasoning, the ingredients here. Well, it's seasoned because you know you season up the thing and thing. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper. This is a red onion, and this, guys, is a must. We call it scallion in Jamaica, but some people call it green onion, you know. But this green part, it really flavor up the potato. I have a little peg of garlic, you know, for flavor. I have to have mayonnaise. Yes, so we have to have mayo. I have vinegar, white vinegar. If you have the apple cider vinegar, you can use it too. I have a tablespoon or less of sugar. The reason for the sugar, guys, and the vinegar, you know, when you're having a potato salad, you want it to have a sweet and a tangy, you know, flavor. So that is the reason why I put a little sugar and a little vinegar in my potato salad. The salt is to cook the potato, right? Make sure the potato have a balance of salt to give it all the flavor when you make. If the potato don't have enough salt, you know, when you're doing your salad, you will lose flavor. So just make it having the right amount of salt. All right. And last, black pepper. Small amount, just sprinkle over it and things. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put everything together. So come along with me. I'm gonna peel the potatoes. All right. And again, sometimes you don't have to peel a potato either, you know, you don't have to peel a potato, you just wash your potatoes. But tell us that Jamaica we live on more time, we don't get this extra pretty potato, so we just peel ours, you know. All right, this is the size potato for the salad, right? Because we don't want it to mash up. We're not doing mashed potato, we're doing potato salad. So this is the sizes that I'm gonna be using to make the potato salad. All right. Yes. So what I'm gonna do now is just rest them in some cold water Because if you don't place them in some water, when you finish peel them, gonna turn brown. So just place them in some water if you're not ready to put them to cook. All right. This is a teaspoon of salt. That's to flavor the potato. All right. Just put in there. Right. And check it back about the next 8 minutes. All right, and test it. All right. What I'm gonna be doing now is putting the potato salad together, all the ingredients together. This is less than a tablespoon of sugar, right? And about a tablespoon of vinegar. Because you don't want your potato salad to be flat. You don't want it just laps. No, you want it to feel so you eat and it's nice. Turn up. Right? Yeah. Three tablespoons mayo. Right, guys, you see with the potato, when you finish cooking potato, you must always make it cool down back, right? We can't use a hot potato, because guess what, the mayo is gonna melt. But have to make sure your potato cool, right? Yeah, this is the sauce. I'm gonna just a little black pepper to taste. You can put more mayo, because some people like a lot of mayonnaise, you know. So that's why I set this in the fridge until the potato finish cooking. All right. Potato is cooked. See, fork test. You test if the potato cooked, the fork go right through. All right. Yes. So I'm gonna be just straining it off, strain off the water now. All right. Alright, I'm gonna be putting the salad together now. What I did, guys, I just to stop the process, because I don't want your potato overcook. Right? Just cool it down underneath the pipe, right? And then rest it in the freezer for a couple of minutes. So you know, say it cool down 100%. So what I'm gonna be doing now, just put the sauce, right? Just gently stir it, right? Some people, you can use all the egg too, you know, boiled eggs and all of that, you know. All right. A little more black pepper. Guys, wow, it's just perfect. You taste a little tangy, you taste a little sweet, you taste the green scallion, you taste the onion, you know, you taste every little thing in your potato salad. It's just perfect. Alright guys, tell me how you like the video, right? How you enjoy the potato salad. and what I do different with yours and all of that. So remember to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And thanks for watching. Bye.